It all started with a sound, not a bang, but a whisper. A faint, rhythmic signal trickled into the Deep Space Network's radio dishes on a quiet Tuesday. At first, NASA's engineers thought it was a glitch. Voyager 2 had been silent for over a year, presumed dead after nearly 50 years in space. But the signal was persistent, structured, and coming from Voyager's last known location. Every test pointed to the same impossible conclusion. Voyager 2 was talking to us again. The control room buzzed with disbelief and excitement. What could have reawakened a probe lost to the void? Theories flew. Unknown energy fields, cosmic phenomena, or something stranger. The data was unlike anything before, complex, layered, and not the usual telemetry. Scientists worked around the clock, decoding the message, knowing they stood on the edge of a discovery that could change everything. How could a 1970s machine suddenly reawaken, sending a message across billions of miles? The little probe that could was about to deliver its most shocking message yet. The universe, it seemed, was whispering back. To grasp the shock, you need to know what Voyager 2 was. A dream launched in 1977, built with technology far less powerful than a modern phone. Its mission to explore Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, using gravity as a cosmic slingshot. Voyager 2 was our eyes in the darkness, revealing the unknown. It carried the golden record, a greeting to the cosmos, a symbol of hope and curiosity. The probe sent back images that transformed distant planets into real worlds. After its planetary tour, it drifted into interstellar space, humanity's longest-running mission, until its power faded and it was presumed lost. Voyager 2 was a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean, carrying our story into the stars. Now, against all odds, it was speaking again. Voyager 2's journey is one of endurance and discovery. It revealed Jupiter's storms and moons, Saturn's intricate rings, and Titan's mysterious atmosphere. At Uranus, it found a tilted blue-green world with new moons and rings. At Neptune, it discovered the great dark spot and icy geysers on Triton. Each encounter rewrote our understanding of the solar system. After its planetary tour, Voyager 2 pressed on, crossing the heliopause in 2018, becoming our first direct explorer of interstellar space. It sent back faint signals from the edge of the sun's influence, reporting on the unknown. Then, silence, until the impossible signal arrived. The probe's story wasn't over. It was entering a new chapter. Voyager 2 had become our farthest, most tenacious explorer. Its endurance was a testament to human ingenuity, and now it was reaching out once more. Voyager 2's return wasn't physical. It was a sudden, inexplicable resurrection of its signal. For over a year, the Deep Space Network listened out of habit, expecting nothing. Then, the signal cut through the static, a beacon in the cosmic fog. The data was baffling. Voyager's power levels were higher than a decade ago, defying physics. The leading theory? The probe encountered a localized energy field in interstellar space, recharging it. The new data stream was complex, as if the probe's sensors were detecting phenomena they were never designed for. Scientists verified the signal, then struggled to interpret the new language of data. Voyager 2 was detecting complex organic molecules and structured radiation, signs of a rich, unknown environment. The mission, thought over, had begun a new chapter. The impossible had happened. Humanity's outpost in the stars was alive again. The universe had revealed a new mystery. The probe's journey was far from finished. We were witnessing the start of something extraordinary. When NASA announced Voyager 2's return, the world was stunned. The story dominated headlines, uniting people in awe and wonder. Scientists wept with joy. The public organized watch parties and shared art inspired by the event. Dr. Alara Vance, Voyager's lead scientist, called it a letter from a lost explorer who'd found a new continent. Observatories worldwide turned their eyes to Voyager's distant location, searching for clues. Wild theories abounded. aliens, divine intervention. But the dominant feeling was inspiration. The universe, once thought indifferent, had shown us a profound new mystery. For decades, we'd sent signals into the void, asking if anyone was out there. Voyager's signal felt like an answer, not from aliens, but from the cosmos itself. It wasn't a clear hello, but a sign that the universe is stranger and more wonderful than we imagined. The event forced us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. The universe wasn't empty. It was alive with phenomena beyond our understanding. Voyager 2 had become a symbol of hope and curiosity. Since its reawakening, Voyager 2 has already reshaped our understanding of interstellar space. It detected vast filaments of complex organic molecules, proto-DNA, drifting between stars. This suggests the building blocks of life are common, not rare, in the galaxy. The probe also found structured radiation, energy-carrying complex patterns, possibly the imprint of ancient cosmic events or even advanced intelligence. Voyager's data paints interstellar space as dynamic, with energy currents like an ocean. Future probes might navigate these currents, making interstellar travel faster and more efficient. The probe's resilience is a powerful metaphor. Even when things seem lost, there can be second chances. Voyager 2 reminds us our reach exceeds our grasp. The universe is not just to be observed, it's to be explored, and it still holds surprises. Our deepest questions may yet find answers in the stars. Voyager 2's return sent a shockwave through our culture. Applications for science and engineering programs soared as a new generation looked to the stars. Governments and private agencies boosted funding for space exploration. International collaborations accelerated, and new interstellar probes, the Seeker program, were planned to follow Voyager's path. The event forced us to confront our own ignorance and fostered humility and curiosity. Scientific knowledge is a journey, not a destination. Voyager 2 gave us new questions to ask. Its story is one of hope, sending something small into the darkness and finding a miracle. It reminds us that exploration is fundamental to the human spirit. In a world that often feels small, Voyager reopened a window to the infinite. We are part of a much grander, stranger cosmic story than we ever imagined. Voyager 2's encore is a call to action, a testament to the value of bold, long-term exploration. Its greatest legacy may be the questions it raised, not just the answers it found. We must invest in curiosity-driven science and missions that may not pay off for generations. Voyager's journey reflects the best of humanity, our ingenuity, hope, and desire to reach beyond ourselves. The golden record it carries is our introduction to the cosmos. As Voyager continues, so does our journey. Today, we stand at a new beginning, holding a shell of unimaginable beauty and complexity. It's our turn to take the next steps along the cosmic shore, to see what wonders await. The journey is just beginning.